Yo, first order just came in. We've got a McDonald's. This is $9 going 4 miles. All right. Or just hand it to me, you know, that would work too. Next up, we're going to a different McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7 and some change, going 4 miles. Yeah, 3B6. Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Victor Rico's and Black Rock Coffee. I believe it's at $9 going 3.5 miles.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Thanks so much.
Next order up is going to be for IHOP, $14 going 7 miles. Thank you. Bit of a wait there. They weren't receiving tickets for orders, so they had to make it as soon as I walked in, which I was okay with waiting a little bit. Still a good order. Morning.
Hi. How's it going?
Cold.
Yeah, I know.
There you are. You have a good day. Yep. This order is not going to be ready, but I'm sitting here anyways, so might as well take it, right? This one is Chick-fil-A, $10.25 going 5.5 miles. Hello. Peanut for Brooke? Yeah. Thank you. Next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $10 going 6 miles, 2 items. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Yeah. It's not my first time with this.
I don't really know how or why. Today is a lot slower than yesterday. Black Friday, everyone is dying to have some leftovers. And then on Saturday, which is today, they'd be sick of the Thanksgiving food by now and would start ordering out again. But that is not the case. So I've been sitting here for maybe 15 minutes or so, and I'm just straight up not getting any orders, like at all. 0 offers. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes, and if I'm still not getting anything, I'm just gonna call it early. Finally got something. Got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $9 going 2 miles, only 1 item.
Lesson requirement. It's like down to my choice.
one.
Yeah. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Yep.
All right, I'm just gonna call it here. I am a sleepy little guy. Current time is 11:03. Total is gonna be 76, which is not great at all, but we tried our best. And that is all that matters, right? Right. Anyways, I'm gonna go home. I need a nap. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.